Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a really cool trick I discovered that helped me boost my Snapchat score to some crazy numbers. I can't wait to show you how I did it, so let's dive right in. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me show you my Snapchat score so you can see just how effective this method really is. See? Pretty wild, right? I know a lot of you are curious about how I managed to get it so high, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. The best part about this method is that it works on both iOS and Android devices, so no one gets left out. Plus, it's super easy to do. You won't need any special skills like jailbreaking your phone or messing around with complicated settings. It's all straightforward and simple enough for anyone to follow. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the details and start boosting that Snapchat score. Grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's begin the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Snapchat and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.